Good day, I am Wilmer Dimson. Last November 4, 2025, the Philippine College of Criminology held a symposium titled Algorithm Alchemist: Reimagining Justice in Data-Driven World. The event aimed to help students understand how artificial intelligence is transforming society, justice system, and everyday life. According to Warren Corpus, one major advantage of AI is ability to make tasks easier, whether in school, work, or daily routines. By speeding up processes and reducing workloads, AI allows individuals to spend more time on their families and more meaningful responsibilities. However, Corpus also emphasized the dangers of AI misuse. Instead of being used for good, AI can be manipulated to produce false information that looks real, misleading people who lack knowledge about technology. This can damage reputation, distort public understanding, and create harmful narratives about the government, public figures, and current events. And symposium reminds future criminologists to stay critical, informed, and responsible as a technology continues to shape truth and justice in data-driven world. That's po. Thank you po.